everybody, this is Awesome Agent. We are playing another indie game called White Noise online. It doesn't have to be online, but it's mostly white noise. So it's another Slenderman type of game. Pusicos. Bunker 51 on Nightmare. Well, this game is taking too long. Ooh. As a melee ooh. Flashlight life. I'm ready. You can start the game now. Column 99977. Why are there ever games? Come on, there should be good games. I'm ready. Nightmare. What an excellent choice if you want to kill yourself. Yayo! Full game. Please, as rep reloads. Finally, here we go, guys. The beginning. The death. The graphics aren't too good, but I'm just gonna look for K. I already hear one. Now it is a bit easier because oh, yeah, we got one. Now, you don't want to lose your team, and it gets harder as you progress. Right here. Oh, and one more thing. If you leave your team, you'll die. That's the only problem. Slenderman, I'm just going to call him Slenderman instead of the white monster who's following us. Wait for me, Skelly. What? Just press on and wait for me. Press forward, guys. I'll check behind us periodically. always want to check to make sure you have your team with you, too. Oh, jeez. We've already found 2. So it shouldn't be that difficult to find the next one. Ha! Where is it? It's like this person knows what she's doing. We're almost halfway, but once you get to the 4th one, this music will start playing, and wow, that's another enemy. If you've seen my Slenderman series, just think of that as like that little guy. Wait up, wait up, bro. We're technically safe from his demise. Alright, Velma. We'll press with you on. We'll press on with you as your leader. It's so dark, you can hardly see a thing. I hate being the leader of these things. You're the leader, Velma. Who knows, this could be worse. Blood prints. We should... Blood footprints. Tap dancing. Dang it, we've been there. We're going around in circles. You got it? Hey, whoa, what? Wait, where's our team? Velma? Half our team's already, let's say, dead? So, yeah, either dead or... Okay, that's probably up ahead. It sounded like it was in front of us. Velma, we need to grab a tape. Come on. Either you just grabbed one or our team did. I've played this game a few times before, and this always happens. I've never survived to the end except this twice. But what usually happens is one person dies, and then I die, and then the next person dies, and then the last person completes the game, and then dies. Anyway. Wait, please. You really want to follow a trail of bloody footprints? It's like Search and Doom. I wonder if our team's bearing any better than we are. But that, blue person, the blue outfit, did find 3. Make me even 4. What am I? I'm like Freddy. I kind of look like... I have Freddy's... I look like exactly like Freddy except the hair. Well, no, even the hair kind of matches. It's just the color of the hair. And how high the... But, yeah, press on. We must press forward in order to better ourselves in the future. Seriously, press on. Let's go. Move it. Pick up the pace. Snap it. Snap. Snap. You're not snapping. Snap it. Here, I'll check behind us. We're pretty much good, actually. Whoa! I did not realize how far... Wait. Wait, I'm dying to hold on. I'm dying to catch up to you. Ow. What are you doing?
Oh, I feel like we're going around in circles. What was that? No, he's on me. He's going to get me. Would you like a human sacrifice? Never turn around. But everybody always feels the urge to turn around. Just don't turn around. Fight the urge to turn around. Mayday, I'm gonna explode because... Whoa, wait up, Velma. In your weird shoes. I'll just follow the outline of you, even though it's like almost impossible to see. I'm with you, I'm just letting... they're doing way better than us. Okay, there's gotta be a take here, right? No. Don't let us get trapped. Come on. Tape 5. We need tape 6 now. Hurry up. Move it. I'll check this way. Nobody's down there. Alright, I'm letting you. Where are you even going? I can only... It's kind of easy to see, like, your outline a bit. Kind of. Ugh, can't see a darn thing. Just your flashlight. I can't even... Okay, I have very good eyesight, and I turn my gamma up a bit. I can kind of see the lines and a bit of the columns. But the roof... Well, okay, I can see the roof because it's... Oh, but I lost my teammate. You'd have to go straight up in the dark if you lost your flashlight. Like Velma, even with a flashlight, she wouldn't see anything. Well, what was that? Jeez, oh, hanging. Oh, no, look out, Velma! Velma, no! Don't do it! This is suicidal. No! No! I am taking the lead now because... Uh-oh, the music's getting worse. It's like... It's like the summer song. This summer's gonna hurt with the mall. I'll check if he's behind. I think he's on our tail now. We have a tail, so hurry up. It's loop. Jeez. Goodbye. See you later. What is this, like some sort of slender? It looks like a giant monkey thing. Because you can't look at it too long. Oh, just the rocks on the roof. Don't die on me, Velma. Do not die on me. So what if it's on the roof? Sure, we haven't found any tapes, but that's only because we're not trying. Don't suicide! Don't you dare do it! I need someone, because I'm not good at this game. Oh, you want me to take the lead? Okay, no. What have we done? I don't know where to go. Wait, no! Don't leave me behind! No! This might take a bit. No! What is wrong with you? Wait! You're not even checking to see if you're following me. If I'm following you. It's just rude. Plus, you'll die anyway. Plus, I want to just sacrifice you. Because you're probably like the person who's going to die first, right? Run. Something's happening. I heard something. Run! Ah, it's on me! Help! Ah! This is so scary. Check if it's behind us. No. Okay, we're safe. Where'd you go? Let you use your flashlight for a bit. Hurry up, let's go. I want to slap you. Just hurry up. Your flashlight. It's hard to see it. What, you see something? No, we're back here again. Where are they going to find all the tapes that we're not going? Ah! No! Help! Run! Go! Go! Forget it! Just go through this field of weird statue people. It's gonna get me, I know it. I'm dead. I'm done. I'm just gonna die. You know what? No. Forget this, Velma. I'm gonna have to let you die because... Oh, he's roaring. That doesn't sound good. And run! No, he's right behind us. No! Door! Go! I can't run anymore, Velma. Don't die. No. Ah! Forget this. Just... cobwebs. Forget about the cobwebs. Ah! Where is he? Ah! Ah, I'm losing my mind. My sanity isn't high. I wish my sanity was higher than what it is. Oh no, we were here already. Wait, no, it crossed over. I think we were here. Have we? Velma, you alright? Good, you're alright. We want to make sure I'm not alone. Everything looks so alike. Okay, I can't get a leaderboard on who's in the game. I know they didn't leave, but we haven't found each other yet, which is a problem. Nope. What? How'd you walk up a wall? This play, okay, they're making it like some weird. We've been there. There's one last room. Is it the one? I don't remember getting a tape here. All I remember is seeing the monster and hiding behind one of these things. Ah! He's still here! Run! Sanity, it's over. I'm not turned into a ghost. Take... Velma, don't do it! No! Where are you going? Good. Yeah! Why? Why? No! I'm not alone! Help! Help! It's not dangerous to go. Great, now I'm a ghost. This is how Velma died. Where's my stone? I heard her scream. Velma, why'd you die? You're just a disgrace. Ah, great, we're ghosts. Thanks a lot, Velma, for dying. You just couldn't handle the pressure on you. Of course you couldn't. And the only reason I died is because there are actually 2 other players in the game. We split up into 2 teams. So technically, but I did tell you, I wasn't the first one to die. I was the second one. At least now it's safe to walk around wherever I want. I'm dead. I could just like look for it and just wait until they find it. Like if you're the only person left, then the thing where it's dangerous to go alone won't happen. It's just very hard. We did find 7, so we found one here, I remember, in the beginning. Why do we have to die? Man, did I just get myself stuck? Wow. I got myself stuck. How? It's just... Run! How do I get out of this thing? Alright. Come on! I thought you could just walk through this. It's just a little gap. Can I do anything to get out? Can I crouch? No. Wait, when did a ghost go through this, even through an invisible barrier? First of all, it's invisible, so it's a ghost. Well, in this game, technically, that's not visible, but... I can hardly even see through these doors. Yes! Yay! We did it! Oh wait, but they just died. If I see one of them, I'll help them. I'll do what I can. It took 18 minutes. Let's see the replay. There's this weird in memory of... Oh, Spoonie Fan died too? Whoa, I walked way more than that. Screams? What? How did I scream the most? What is wrong? What kind of... I cannot believe this. So what if... I'm the guy with the brown hair. Oh! So, okay, they were far away from us. We did go down the same hall and almost met them one time. And I only died because my teammate died. I would have still been alive. We went in circles too much. We both died there. Now we're blue lines. Oh, we were so close to the white last piece. And our... Well, guys. That was pretty fun until I got stuck and died. And was stuck in a room full of pots. But anyway, gotta look past that. It was still a fun game. And hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, leave likes. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!